Hello everyone, welcome back to AI with Anamika Yadav. In our previous video, we learned about function, argument, and the written statement. Now today's topic is lambda function. Many beginners get confused when they hear the word lambda. It sounds like something complicated, but honestly, it's not. It's one of the easiest concepts in Python. So don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand about lambda. Okay. Now let's understand what is lambda function. From a task in Python, we usually create a function using a def keyword. This is normal, but sometimes our function is very small. Maybe only want to add two number or a square number. Writing an entire function for such a small task sometimes feels unnecessary. That's where That's why lambda functions comes in. A lambda function is simply a small anonymous functions. What does anonymous means? Anonymous, anonymous simple means a functions without a name. Instead of writing a complete function using def, we can write it in just one line. Let's understand why do we use lambda function. There are mainly three reasons. First, they make our code shorter. Second, they are useful when the function is only needed once. Third one is they are commonly used with functions like map function, filter function, or the shortest functions. You will see this a lot in data science and machine learning project. So if you are a beginner today, learning lambda functions now will help you later. Let's talk about syntax. So the syntax looks like this: a lambda, argument, an expression. Okay, let's break it down. First, we write the keyword is lambda. Then we write the input value, also called argument. After that comes a colon, and finally, we write the expression that we want to execute. One important thing to be remember, there is no written keywords inside a lambda functions. Python automatically return the result. And to the example, normally we would write like this: daf squared x, pass the value x and written x into x. Okay, now let's write the same thing with using lambda. Okay, let's understand this in our VS Code. Now let's try with lambda function. This is normal function and this is with lambda function. Let's run this code. The output will be 25. Let's explain every line. Here, square is just a variable. It is stored a lambda function. Lambda tells Python that we are creating a lambda functions in this line. So x is the input parameter and x into x is the expression. It's the input variable, input parameter, and these are expression. Okay. Python automatically return it value. Difference between normal function and the lambda function. So normal function we are creating just with daf keyword, and lambda function we are just creating with using lambda keywords. Okay. First one is normal function, second one is with lambda functions. Both give exactly the same output. The only difference is lambda function is shorter. This is the only difference between both function. So let's understand why should we use lambda function. So use lambda functions when your function is very small, your logic is only one line, or you need functions only once. Don't use lambda function for large program. If your function has many lines of code, always use a normal functions with that. It will be much easier to read and understand. I hope this video helped you understand lambda function in a simple way. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to AI with Aramik Yadav, and let me know in the comment, have you ever used a lambda function before? So happy coding, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.